class children. Now I am explaining your FA2 model paper Nana. See the first Roman they have given. Solve the following. Solve the following. Okay, see the first Roman for sum. The lengths of 4 rivers in India are as follows. Here they have given 4 rivers children. For 4 rivers they have given length. Okay, the lengths are given in kilometers. Okay, now Ganga, how many kilometers? 2900. Next Narmada, 2510. Godavari, 1450. Brahmaputra, 1290. So here they have given 4 rivers. For 4 rivers they have given the length also for you Nana. Okay, by observing the table now we had to write the question and answers. See the first question they have given. Write the names of the rivers in ascending order of their length. Write the names of the rivers in ascending order of their length. So here ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. By observing these, what is the smallest number? This is the smallest number. See, Brahmaputra is the first. Next Godavari. Next Narmada. Next Ganga. So we had to write all these names in the order. Okay, first name is Brahmaputra. Next Godavari, next Narmada and next Ganga. Okay, do you understand the first question? Now we'll see the next one. Which river is longer, Godavari or Narmada? Which river is longer, Godavari or Narmada? By observing the table, see Nana, Godavari how much? 1450. Narmada how much? 2510. So which is the longer? Narmada is the longest. So in the answer what we had to write here? Narmada. Okay, do you understand Nana? Now we'll see the next one. Next, how much long is river Ganga than river Godavari? See children, Ganga how much? 2900. Next, Godavari how much? 1450. How long they are asking? So what we had to do? We had to subtract. Means 2900 minus 1450. We had to both minus Nana. When you minus, we get one answer. Okay. So that answer we had to write down. Okay. That answer we had to write here. Okay. Do you understand the first Roman? Now we'll see the second Roman. See the second Roman. Solve the following. Solve the following. Here they have given one sum for you Nana. See these numbers they have given in kgs and grams. So first grams means here also grams. So what is the symbol they have given here? Minus. So what we had to do? We had to subtract the number. Okay. See 68 kgs 503 grams minus 48 kgs 389 grams. Okay, now subtract 3 minus 9. We can do it? No. So what we had to do? We had to borrow 1 from the next number. So here 0. From 0 we can borrow? No. So what we had to do? Again we had to borrow from 5. 5 becomes 4. 0 becomes 10. From 10 we can borrow 1. So then 10 becomes 9. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9. 4. Next, what is the next number here? 9. 9 minus 8. 1. Next, when you borrow here, 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 3. 1. Next, kgs. So here also write your kgs. So 8 minus 8. 0. 6 minus 4. 2. So total answer is 20 kgs. 114 grams. Okay, do you understand Nana? Same process here also. What is the symbol they have given Nana? Plus. Plus means addition. We had to add these two numbers. Grams. Here also grams. 0 plus 2. 2. 5 plus 8. How much? 13. 3 in the answer place. 1 must be carried forward. Okay. 4 plus 4. 8. 8 plus 1. 9. Kgs. Here also kgs. 9 plus 5. 14. Okay, like this we had to add the number. Okay, children, do you understand the second Roman? Now we'll see the third Roman. See, solve the following. The following numbers of fish were caught on different days from a sea. Draw a pictograph. Pictograph means what we had to do, Nana? We had to draw the pictures. Okay, pictograph means what we had to draw here? We had to draw pictures based on the given table. Okay, what pictures we had to draw? We had to draw fishes. We had to draw fishes symbols. Okay, children, do you understand? I think all of you know how to draw the fishes. Okay, now see children. Here Monday 400 fishes you can draw. We cannot draw 400 fishes, means why we can draw, but here there is no space, no. That's why we had to take one scale, Nana. Scale means not you are using scale. See, scale means for example 400 means for example. Scale means, Nana, see, scale means one figure, one picture is equal to 100 I am taking. Okay, one picture is equal to 100. So here how many are they given? Monday 400. So one picture equal to 100. So like that how many pictures we can draw? 400 means 4 pictures we had to draw. Next 300 means how many pictures we had to draw? 3 pictures. 500 means how many pictures we had to draw? 5 fishes. 300 3 fishes. 200 2 fishes. 400 4 fishes we had to draw. Okay, Nana, do you understand how we had to draw? Now we'll see the next Roman. Next Roman is solve the following. Solve the following. The amount of sugar in 7 different food was measured as a percent. Okay, now the data is summarized in the bar graph below. Okay, here they have given one bar graph to you, Nana. By observing this bar graph, we had to write the answers from here. Okay, Nana, see. What is the first question they have given? How many categories are given in the graph? How many categories are given in the graph? Here they have given one graph. From observing this graph, how many categories are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many categories are there, Nana? 7. So first answer is 7. Okay, next. Which food has the highest percentage? Which food has the highest percentage? By observing this one, which one is having the highest one? 23 is the highest number. 23 means what? Chocolate bar. So write here chocolate bar. Okay. Now see the third one. What percentage of sugar is in soda? What percentage of sugar is in soda? So in soda, how much percentage do you have, Nana? 17% is there. In soda, how much percent is there? 17. So write here 17. The next one. Which food has the lowest percentage? Which food has the lowest percentage? Lowest means small. Means, see, by observing the graph, which is the smallest one? By observing the numbers, which is the smallest number? 9 is the smallest number. So what we had to write? Ketchup. Here in the blank, what we had to write, Nana? Ketchup. Okay, the next one, fifth one. What is the difference in sugar between ice cream and crackers? Difference means what we had to do? We had to subtract. Okay, ice cream value, how much they have given, Nana, in the question? 16. Okay, crackers, how much they have given? 11. So 16 minus 11 equal to how much? 5. So what is the difference we got it here? 5. Okay, Nana, now we'll see the next one. This is oral, Nana. See the next Roman. See, first blank. 1513 milliliters equal to dash liters dash milliliters. So 1 liter equal to 1000. 1 liter equal to 1000. So from 1513 remove 1000. So how much we had to write here? 1. Here 513. Okay, do you understand? Now 5000 grams equal to 5000 grams equal to 5000 grams equal to means here 5 kgs they have given, Anna. 5000 grams here they have given, here 5 kgs. So what symbol we had to use? We had to use here equal. 5000 grams equal to 5 kgs. Okay, 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 5 kgs equal to 5000 grams. So both sides are, we got same number. So what symbol we had to use here? Equal to symbol we had to use, Nana. Next one is 18,934 grams. So how many kgs we had to write? 18. Grams means 9,934. 18 kgs, 934 grams. Next, 15 kilometers, 545 meters. Next, same process here also, Nana. 3,584 grams, 7 kgs. So, 7 kgs, 1 kg equal to 1000. 7 kgs equal to 7,000. So, here 7,000, 3,584. Use symbol, Nana. Which symbol we had to use? Greater than symbol. So, 7,000 is a greater number, no? So, we had to keep the symbol like this. Okay. Now, see the next one, Nana. Here they have given the burger sold by a bakery on different days. Make it tally marks of this data. Tally marks means by observing these numbers, we had to write the number, Nana. Okay. Now, see 1 bunch equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, do you understand? Now, how many 5s do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Next, how many bunches do you have? 2 bunches. Means 5 plus 5, 10. Next, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 3, 13 we had to write here. Next, 5, 5, 5. So, 5 3s are 15. So, here how much we had to write? 15. Next, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Next, if you don't know, we can count like this also, Nana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So, what is the answer? We got it here, 21. Okay, children, do you understand the model paper? In the next class, we will continue the new model. Thank you.